was reading a Gleaner report that 400 meters hurdler Jaheel Hyde has changed camps again. After just 3 months, he has now left MVP and is off to Swept Away Track Club, still in pursuit of that burst-out phase of his senior career. Of course, Jaheel Hyde was an outstanding boys champs star who went on to win 2 World Junior titles over the 400 hurdles and 1 World Youth title in the sprint hurdles. But he continues to struggle somewhat to find his footing at the big man level, failing even to make the Jamaican team to the World Championships this year. But question though, why so much instability with the senior career of Jaheel Hyde? How you explain spending 3 months at big MVP? What exactly can be determined and decided in 3 months? I mean, we all know that Jaheel Hyde is a special talent. He's not yet in that dreaded category of falling by the wayside, thank God. But remember, this is a man who has gotten to the Senior World Championships and Olympics semifinals, and he's still just 22. So the intent and the class are there. But I think this instability is wreaking havoc with his potential. And when you move out of the MVP camp with arguably the best athletics coach in the entire world, then the only direction you can be stepping is down. And look, no hard feelings, Jaheel, but I just some feel.